Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to send a BCC email in Gmail. So if you don't already know, BCC stands for Blind Carbon Copy in Email. So this allows the sender to copy recipients into a message without revealing their email addresses to the other participants of the message. So it's primarily used to protect privacy. So if you own a business or you're a freelancer and you want to email a large amount of people, you can BCC their email addresses into the email and they won't get to see each other's email addresses. So that's basically what it is. So I'll show you how to do it in Gmail now. So open up your Gmail account. All you need to do is press compose message. So I'm going to write in my other email address. And then I'm going to click BCC to add other email addresses. Then all you have to do is just basically add in the other email addresses. They'll be added to that message. They'll all get the same message, but they won't be able to see each other's email addresses. So then all you need to do is write in the subject, the body of the email, and send, and you have sent your BCC Gmail email. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe, and I will see you soon.